Hi, my name is Blanca, and I've been a client of FlipSystem for around 6 months now.
Amazing. What made you join FlipSystem?
So I was actually looking for ways to diversify my investments. I used to work in tech, and I saved up a bunch of money that I didn't really know what to do with, so I wanted to allocate it into stocks and other ways, and real estate started to pop up on my feed, so I figured, oh, let's explore that.
Amazing. And what successes have you had with FlipSystem so far?
So I have officially closed on my first house. I've successfully renovated it. I've placed a tenant in it, so it's cash flowing, and it's currently listed for sale. So I'm looking to turnkey fix and flip that, and I'm already submitting offers for my second home.
That's incredible, all in 6 months.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, as of November, it's even shorter than that. So this project is it's only been 3 months.
You're kidding.
Since I closed on it. Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's an incredible success.
Yeah,
congratulations.
mm-hmm.
Out of 5 stars, what would you rate FlipSystem?
I would rate it a 5 out of 5. Yeah, because if you're going to be doing this by yourself without a support system, it's going to take way longer. You're not going to have quality resources like the ones that they provide here. I mean, why reinvent the wheel, right? So that's ultimately why I joined. I rather put my money to work with experienced folks who have done this hundreds of times, and that's ultimately why it's working out for me. So I'd give it a 5 out of 5. Everything that they've been telling me before I joined has been true. The timeline has actually been faster than I even thought, so that's awesome.
What's your favorite aspect of FlipSystem? We have a multi-pronged approach on how we support people.
Yeah.
What has been either the most beneficial or your favorite aspect?
My favorite aspect would probably be, how simple it is, how dummy-proof it is. I had zero real estate experience before I joined, and I didn't need to have any to see success in this program. I was taught everything that I needed to know. The coaches are super helpful, super accessible, answer all of the questions that I have. They double check my analyses before I even submit offers, so I know I'm getting into a good deal. Probably the support, the coaches and the resources that we have.
That's amazing. Yeah, clearly the proof is in the pudding for you, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Amazing. Last question would be, for people who are on the fence about real estate, about perhaps having a coach or having help, or even in general, they're wanting to do real estate, but they're having trouble doing it out of state or conceptualizing it, what piece of advice would you give them to make the move?
So, any investment is risky. You invest in the stock market, that's risky. You invest in crypto, that's risky. Real estate also has its own risk, but the risk is mitigated as much as possible here. So you have people who have actually done this over hundreds, thousands of times, over 1,000 houses they've flipped. So the risk of losing money or breaking even on something is very low when you have the people who have been doing this for decades. Any investment is scary, but you're never going to get anywhere unless you get out of your comfort zone. So that's ultimately what I'm trying to say. Nothing is going to change for you in your life if you don't take that second step. It's going to be uncomfortable, but that's just something that you have to accept. Otherwise, you're just going to be sitting around the next 5 years. You're going to go by, you're going to be in the exact same spot as where you were before.
It's not going to get easier, so just take action.
Yep. I heard this saying recently. It was time in the market is better than time outside of the market. So even if you get in an uncertain time or you don't know what's going to happen, that's better than just sitting on the sidelines and not even getting in and playing.